Hello world, welcome back again to Flutter series. This episode we'll be talking about widgets. Okay, so basically whatever appears on the screen is a class. Now every class in Flutter, every component that appears on the screen is a widget. Okay, what is a widget? Widget is a UI or a user interface object or component. So as you can see here, this is a widget, this is a widget. I mean, every single part of this is a widget. Okay, now I want to explain that to you. Let me run the app real quick. For example, if you open your app and you see a button there, the button is a widget. Okay, if you see an icon, the icon is a widget. Man, I don't know how to explain this. So basically every component there is a widget, just like the toolbox in the many applications you've seen, as in Visual Studio or NetBeans or Eclipse. Yes, every component you can use in your app is a widget. Okay, now with that being said, we have two main types of widgets. We have the stateless widget and then the stateful widget. So as you can see, this is a stateful widget and then a stateless widget. I will quickly explain the two. When we say a stateless widget, let's just go here and then read it. A widget that does not require mutable state. Mutable simply means changeable. Okay, a stateless widget is a widget that describes parts of the user interface by providing a constellation of other widgets that describe the user interface more concretely. Okay, when we say a stateless widget, it simply means that a widget or a component that does not change or does not change its content. Okay, it is static. Yeah, let me use the word static. So it doesn't have any state, it cannot change, it doesn't react to changes. Okay, that is a stateless widget. So the stateful widget is the opposite of a stateless widget. Now when we say a stateful widget, a widget that has a mutable state. State is the information that can be read synchronously when the widget is built and might change during the lifetime of that widget. It is the responsibility of the widget implemented to ensure that then. Okay, so when we say a stateful widget, it means a widget which has elements or content or data that can change. So let me give an example. If let's look at this, for example. Now this whole part becomes a stateful widget. I'll explain later as we go on. You see, as we click on this, you see this text here changes, right? So that part becomes stateful. Okay, it changes content. But as you can see, first Flutter app, it is static. No matter what you do, it doesn't change. Are you getting me? You open an app and then you see welcome to my app or something over there. That thing there doesn't change. Let's say you are filling a form, your name, your email address, that text there that says your name, your email address, they are static, they don't change. What changes is the data you put in the text fields. Okay, in the text boxes. That is what makes it stateful, because those text boxes changes value. I really think we can get this. So I will not demonstrate that right now. As we go ahead, we will learn more about stateless and then stateful widgets. But you should know that every component that appears on the screen extends one of these, either a stateful widget or a stateless widget. Hallelujah. Okay, so in this content, that's basically stateful widgets and stateless widgets. I will explain much deeper as we go ahead.